Hello, pure souls. Welcome to Healings. This channel make your soul more pure. Today we gonna see 7 ways to boost your motivation for success. Number 1. Practice looking at the glass, being half full when life is challenging. This is not as easy to do if you feel like you're unsuccessfully playing dodgeball in most areas of your life. Practice short bursts of radical acceptance and look for fine threads in your day that you are grateful for and that bring you happiness. It will feel strange at first, but with time, your brain's neurocircuitry will start focusing on what motivates and inspires you. Start practicing this exercise at times during the day when you feel okay, so then when rough times hit, your ability to rebound will be more automatic. However, you need to practice if you want to effectively regain your motivation for success. Before you know it, your battles will become like a walk in the park. Number 2. Review the happiness level of your everyday social network. Jim Rohn famously said, "You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." It is not gospel. But in examining whether or not your relationships support, encourage, inspire, educate, and nurture you, you actually need to look beyond those 5 people. Social science professors James Fowler and Nicholas Christakis explain how we need to look at our 3rd degree of separation to identify those who influence our happiness in our social relationships. People are generally happier because their first-level friends are also central to having a happy network of people. To increase your motivation and happiness, don't just look at your friends. Look at your friends' friends. Number 3. Clean up your relationships, work and personal. Do you ever ask yourself what aspects of your relationships are healthy for you and bring you happiness? Do you also consider what you contribute to those and whether doing so also brings you happiness? It's time to not only reflect on what you gain from relationships, but also what contributions you can make to help them further flourish. Caution. Overhelping is not the answer here. Sometimes you need to cull the time you spend with certain people. However, it's about being more accountable and choosing to improve how you want to show up for people in your life, work-wise and personally. Set yourself some personal goals and get to the task. Cleaning up and stepping up will help improve your motivation for success. You'll heighten that positive vibration of your everyday existence. Number 4. Create a personal development plan for your definition of success and happiness. Goal setting isn't just for helping us attain better cars, houses, or greater income. When you change your goal to focus on becoming the person required to obtain those things, your goals expand beyond tangible limits. Having a personal development plan is essential. Draw a circle and divide it up into pie segments, like having spokes on a wheel, that represent the following areas of your life. 1. Finances and money. 2. Intimate relationships. 3. Friends and social relationships. 4. Health and well-being. 5. Spirituality and religion. 6. Hobbies, leisure, and fun activities. 7. Vocation, career, and work. The center point of your circle represents 0. 0 means you are least satisfied. The outer circumference of your circle is 10. 10 means you are most satisfied and contented. For each area, plot on the spoke your current rating of satisfaction. Then, review each area again and denote on the spoke what level of satisfaction you desire. See where the differences between your current and desired satisfaction levels are the smallest. These may be the easiest areas to solve, and you can start brainstorming the changes you want to experience. Some areas won't be as important to you to make changes. Others will be. Working with an impartial coach can greatly help to flesh out clarity. Regularly doing this exercise, e.g. every quarter, will reignite your motivation and keep you on the path to reach greater success and happiness. Number 5. Invest in personal development. Your personal development plan will give you strong clues as to what programs, books, podcasts, networking groups, and social activities to tap into. But be wary of the bright, shiny object syndrome and well-meaning friends and family projecting their countless recommendations onto you. Be gracious and thankful for their advice and guidance, even though it can often be uninvited. Choose wisely and make your own decisions. Focus on the challenges you face now. Are you experiencing problems with your significant other? Are your children suffering from bullying at school and you're unsure how to help them? Perhaps you are experiencing a plateau in work satisfaction, or your business is experiencing a slump. Whatever problems are present for you now, explore activities and education that will help you solve those. Number 6. Invest in experiences, not material things. Splashing your cash on physical possessions to reward yourself will just send you to bankruptcy. When you constantly rely on external things to motivate you, you're in real danger of never being satisfied. Instead, ignite your motivation internally by investing in experiences that allow you to feel those feelings you believe you will have when you're successful. If becoming a public speaker is a dream you have, invest in Toastmasters or a public speaking program. If whisking you and your partner away for a luxury weekend at a second's notice fits your definition of success, save overtime to do this. Don't just set your sights on the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Your motivation for success will improve when you practice feeling successful at each step in your journey. Number 7. Create or join a mastermind group. Napoleon Hill created the concept in his book, Think and Grow Rich, first published in 1937. Yet today, being an entrepreneur is still often a terribly lonely existence. Joining a mastermind group, your motivation is fueled by the collective genius of others also wanting to collaborate, solve problems, cross-promote, network, and learn new things. Not only is keeping motivated easier in itself, but your thinking also grows exponentially. Choose your group wisely and collectively. Your contributions will escalate you all to refreshing new heights.